Today, I'm sharing 3 easy recipes to remove age spots, acne, blackheads, and other skin conditions. The main cause of age spots is a lack of vitamin C. The 3 main causes of skin damage are chronic mineral deficiencies, insulin resistance, and age-related skin spots. Baking soda is a simple solution for these issues and can be found in almost every household worldwide. Here are 3 recipes based on baking soda. Olive oil, lemon juice, and baking soda are needed for the first recipe. 2 little espresso spoonfuls of baking soda, half a teaspoon of olive oil, and a smidgen of freshly squeezed lemon juice. You can add extra for a paste. Once applied, leave on the targeted skin areas for 15 minutes before rinsing. Since lemon juice includes acid, you cannot apply this mixture on your face and walk outdoors in the sun. This is a terrific technique to treat acne and other similar conditions, but proceed with caution. You ought to wipe off any remaining lemon juice from your skin right away. This is my first recipe. In a small basin, combine yogurt oil, baking soda, and orange juice. For the second recipe, 1 spoonful of baking soda. Apply 1 tablespoon each of jojoba oil and orange juice to your skin. Leave this mixture on for 20 minutes, then rinse it off with lukewarm water. This is a very simple recipe that is also one of the simplest ways to get rid of age spots and other skin conditions. It also helps to protect your skin, especially your face, which will look much healthier and radiant. The combination of baking soda and ammunition oil in a tiny bottle is the 3rd recipe you should be aware of. A couple more things you should know are that you cannot use any kind of recipe for the entire year, because it would be bad for your skin, especially the aged skin spots. Instead, you should take small spoons of baking soda and ammo oil, mix them, and apply the mixture to the age spots. Leave it on for 20 minutes, then wash it off with warm water. This mixture is the best because oil has exceptional health benefits for the skin, and it removes age spots especially well. Following a period of 15 to 30 days, you should take a break and, for approximately 30 to 50 days. During that time, apply this mixture to your skin, wash it off, and repeat after removing the waste for an additional 30 to 50 days. It's also important to take care of yourself. Age spots didn't start out, and they won't go very soon. You must adopt a healthy lifestyle if you want to entirely change your life. Other recommendations include taking 80 milligrams every day and using B-complex vitamins, including B5 and C, as these are the keys to treating skin problems. Consume 2 to 3,000 milligrams of vitamin C every day. This is a dietary supplement that could be the key to helping you lose your spots. All age-related skin spots will vanish considerably faster. If you are thinking about leading a healthy lifestyle and implementing the world's greatest diet,